Hurricane season is a time of uncertainty, particularly for residents of coastal areas like Palmetto Bay, Florida. As a community situated near the Atlantic Ocean, the risk of hurricanes and tropical storms is a constant concern. While there are many measures you can take to protect your home, one of the most effective ways to enhance your hurricane preparedness is through window replacement. Replacing old or weak windows with hurricane-rated windows can make a world of difference when a storm approaches. Here's how investing in window replacement can bolster your home's ability to withstand a hurricane, ensuring the safety of your family and the longevity of your property. The importance of hurricane-resistant windows. When a hurricane strikes, high winds and flying debris are the primary culprits behind most property damage. Windows, being one of the most vulnerable parts of a home, are at high risk of being shattered by debris or even the sheer force of the wind. A broken window can allow water, debris, and wind to infiltrate the home, causing significant damage to the interior and compromising the structural integrity of the building. Hurricane-rated windows are specially designed to withstand high winds, impacts from flying debris, and heavy rain. They are made with laminated glass, which is reinforced with a layer of plastic to prevent shattering. Additionally, the frames and seals are engineered to provide a tight, secure fit, ensuring that the window remains intact even in extreme conditions. This durability significantly reduces the risk of a breach in the home during a storm. Benefits of window replacement in hurricane preparedness. Enhanced protection against wind and debris. As mentioned, windows are one of the most vulnerable parts of a home during a hurricane. With hurricane-resistant windows, homeowners in Palmetto Bay can ensure that their windows are not the weak link during a storm. These windows are built to withstand winds of up to 200 miles per hour, depending on the model, making them more than capable of handling the force of a hurricane's gusts. Furthermore, these windows are designed to resist penetration from debris, such as tree branches, flying rocks, or even shingles that might be tossed around by high winds. Reduced risk of water damage. Water infiltration during a hurricane can cause serious damage to your home. Once a window is broken, rainwater can pour into the house, soaking carpets, furniture, and belongings. Water damage is not only destructive but also difficult and expensive to repair. Hurricane windows are sealed tightly and made to resist water penetration, keeping your home dry and safe even during the heaviest rainfall. Improved energy efficiency. Hurricane windows do more than just protect against storms. They can also help with energy efficiency. Modern hurricane-rated windows are designed with insulation properties that keep the temperature inside your home stable. By preventing heat loss in the winter and reducing heat gain in the summer, hurricane windows can contribute to lower energy bills. This is especially beneficial in Palmetto Bay's hot and humid climate, where energy costs can quickly add up. Lower insurance premium. Homeowners in Palmetto Bay who invest in hurricane-rated windows may be eligible for reduced homeowners insurance premiums. Insurance companies recognize the added protection these windows offer, and they may reward homeowners for taking proactive measures to safeguard their property. It's a win-win situation. You enhance your home's hurricane preparedness while potentially saving money on insurance. Increased property value. When it comes time to sell your home, hurricane-resistant windows can make a significant difference in the marketability and value of your property. Buyers are often willing to pay more for homes that are equipped with hurricane windows, knowing that they won't need to worry about making this investment themselves. Additionally, homes with hurricane-rated windows may sell faster, especially in areas like Palmetto Bay, where hurricane preparedness is a priority for many potential buyers. Peace of mind. Perhaps the most important benefit of all is the peace of mind that comes with knowing you've taken steps to protect your home and family. Hurricanes are unpredictable, and their intensity can vary from year to year, but with hurricane-rated windows, you can feel more confident that your home is ready to face whatever comes its way. Conclusion. In Palmetto Bay, hurricane preparedness is a key part of homeownership. By replacing outdated or inadequate windows with hurricane-resistant models, you can greatly enhance the safety and durability of your home. These windows provide superior protection against high winds, flying debris, and water damage, while also offering benefits like improved energy efficiency, potential insurance savings, and a higher property value. Investing in window replacement is not just about preparing for a single storm. It's about ensuring that your home is equipped to handle the challenges of hurricane season for years to come. With the right windows in place, you'll have greater confidence, safety, and security when a hurricane approaches, knowing that your home is built to weather the storm.